The rain stopped, but the world still felt wet and alive. The ground became a mirror. I could see the whole sky in a puddle. Even the smallest rivers knew where to go. My leaf didn't rush. He did. It just followed the flow. Every drop looked like it was holding a little piece of light. It felt like the earth was breathing in, slow and happy. Maybe the rain didn't just fall, the body. Maybe it helped everything start again. After the rain, everything feels new again. Even me. Let's keep exploring together. Don't forget to follow for more adventures.